De Patasola, Colombian legend adapted by Erika Bermúdez y Laura Ramírez. In the forest, a mysterious woman is walking alone among the trees. She has one leg and is carefully looking for people who enter the forest. When she sees people harming the trees and hurting the animals, she gets very angry. To trick them, she is calling them with a soft and sweet voice. As they follow her deeper into the forest, she is slowly showing her real face. Then, she scares them to protect the animals, the trees, and the land. Lesson: respect the forest. Nature is alive and must be protected. Walk. Look. Enter. See. Harm. Hurt. Get angry. Trick. Call. Follow. Show. Scare. Protect.